Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find a formula for the described function and state its domain. We have a closed rectangular box with volume 8 feet cubed, has length twice the width, and we're looking to express the height of the box as a function of the width. So we have two things. We have the volume is equal to 8 feet cubed, and we know this is equal to the length times the width times the height. Now we also know that the length is twice the width. So L is equal to 2 times W. So that means 8 is equal to, we can plug in 2W for L into our equation. 2W times H. If we divide both sides by 2W squared, all of these cancel, and we're left with H is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4 over W squared. So for a height for a closed rectangular box with volume 8 feet cubed with a length twice the width, it's equal to 4 divided by the length of the width squared. And what is the domain of this function? What can W be? Well, W just has to be greater than 0, because we are dealing with a real life physical box and it has to have positive dimensions. So H is equal to 4 over W squared, and the width, W, has to be greater than 0.